it be nice if ChatGPT could order your groceries for you? Well, it can. So here we go to the Instacart plugin. This is a great example of how you can combine ChatGPT's native use with its plugin use. So I said, please create a meal plan for the week. I eat 2 meals and 1 snack a day. One of those meals is for 1 person, the other meal is for 2. I'm gluten-free and I'm trying to eat healthy. I don't like tomatoes. And here it goes. It gave a day 1 through 7 meal plan of 2 meals a day, 1 for 1 person, 1 for 2 people, and a snack. And then it said, would you like me to generate a shopping list using Instacart? I said yes. And here we go. It created our shopping list for the meals that it prepared for us. So you can go ahead and click on Instacart here. And there you go. It has selected all of the ingredients that we need. All we need to do is hit add to cart. 25 items for weekly gluten-free meal plan are added. So once you're logged in, you would go ahead and click the cart here. And if you wanted to go ahead with this, you would click go to checkout. And there you would have delivered to your doorstep from ChatGPT all the ingredients you need for all of these amazing meals. Here I said I'm having 10 friends over for dinner on Saturday. I would like to impress them with a 2-course summary meal. Please give me 3 recipes to choose from. So we have 3 different options here. I liked the 3rd option. So I asked for the recipe for the 3rd option. Here we have all the ingredients, we have the instructions, and it asked me if it would like to generate the shopping list from Instacart. And I said yes, but I already have salmon, olive oil, salt, and eggs. So here it went ahead and generated our grocery list minus the items that I already had. Again, you would click to add the 12 items and proceed to the checkout. Lastly, you can provide the ingredients that you already have and see what it suggests you do. I have 2 onions, brown rice, eggs, etc. What is a West African meal I can make with these ingredients? Here it says, with these ingredients, you can make a simplified version of a dish called jollof rice. It goes ahead to explain what ingredients we would need and the instructions. But it says it may not have the traditional flavors because I have limited ingredients. So here I ask, what are the ingredients I am missing to have the traditional flavors? Now it goes and lists the ingredients I was missing, and it asks me if I would like to create a list of those ingredients on Instacart. I said yes, and here is the list. So now not only are you 1 click away from a new recipe, but you're also 1 click away from having those ingredients delivered straight to your doorstep.